I know you know somebody driving a truck. Tell them to get to the track, please. Andy Blummel in the cutoff t-shirt. We'll see Andy Blummel later, flexing his muscles and also driving a stock car. Wow. I don't think this would be a terrible time to call up Maddie from Clearwater Corner. Promised me she was going to sing some Cher for the whole crowd. Maddie. Mullet Man! Look at him go! Great job.
That's great. That's Andy Schenko that ran in Southside.
Wait, I see Maddie. I see you. One quick announcement out in the pits or in the stands. I just got attention from a vendor that sold some young people, a kid, a distributor clamp, and he accidentally charged too much for it. And if that kid is still here, could you please come back to that booth for some of the money to be refunded?
25-12 in the trust to bang. Oh, making 25 million.